In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile in QuickBooks. Reconciling is the process of matching what's in QuickBooks with what appears on your bank or credit card statement so your books stay accurate and trustworthy. Think of it as a monthly checkup that confirms every dollar in and out is accounted for. Start by heading to the left sidebar and opening All Apps, then choose Accounting. Under this area, you'll see the Reconcile option. Go ahead and click it. This brings you to the reconciliation dashboard, where you'll set up the account you want to reconcile. First, select the account by opening the drop-down menu. Pick the exact bank or credit card account that matches the statement you're holding. If you have accounts with similar names, take a second to confirm you've got the right one. Choosing the correct account up front will save you time later. Next, enter the ending statement balance and the statement ending date. These two fields need to match your bank or card statement exactly. Type the ending balance as it appears, including any cents, and use the final date listed on the statement, not today's date or the first day of the next period. Entering these values precisely ensures the reconciliation can zero out cleanly. If your statement shows pending transactions, remember those usually aren't included in the balance yet, so stick to the official printed or downloaded balance. When everything looks right, click Start Reconciling. QuickBooks will display the reconciliation screen, showing the statement details up top and the related transactions below. Here you can review the information presented. You'll typically see a running difference that helps indicate whether what's in QuickBooks aligns with the statement total. If the numbers you entered are correct, the summary at the top should guide you toward a clean finish. If something looks off, it's often due to a mistyped balance or date, so double-check those first. Once you're satisfied and ready to complete the process, use the drop-down menu at the top and choose Finish Now. This saves the reconciliation and locks in the period, so you have a clear record of what was reviewed and confirmed. As a best practice, only finish when you're confident the statement and QuickBooks agree. That way your reports stay reliable and audit-ready. And that's it. You've navigated to Reconcile, selected the correct account, entered the ending balance and date, started reconciling, reviewed the information, and finished to save your work. Keep this workflow in mind each month to maintain accurate books and a clear financial picture.